Hey there, welcome to our AI Guild community briefing. Why we have created this community is we do weekly live workshops. It can be technical workshops like AI agents, LangChain, and how to build AI applications, and as well as business and executive type of workshops to give an awareness about how things are working. And every workshop that we try to do is we try to get some output out of it. So please have a look at our AI Guild platform, wherein we have 40 plus products ranging from introduction to ChatGPT to neural networks, deep learning models, and all those details. So have a look at our AI Guild community that has been running for almost 1.5 years. We have around 111 members, active members as of now, and by this we are focusing on lifelong learning, wherein we have a lot of people who want to have access to content, live workshops, a closed community where the discussions about AI agents and the real information goes on in the public.